Hey guys, it's Coach Stewart here, and I have a couple tools that I put in here for you to help you with your math work if you're struggling. So let's check it out. So you're going to scroll down to Toolbox for Success. We're going to click on that. So in Toolbox for Success, I have a calculator, I have benchmark fractions chart, I have a multiplication chart, I also have a division chart. So let's check out the benchmark fractions chart. So in this benchmark fraction chart, we have fractions, we have decimal, and then we have percent. So this should help you out with the lesson that's coming up this week. So let's go back and check out what else we have. Let's check out the multiplication chart I put in here. So we have a multiplication chart that's a 20 by 20. So you can multiply all the way up to 20 times 20. And then we also have another multiplication chart where you can multiply 25 times 25. And then we have another one that you can multiply 30 times 30. So let's check out what else we have. One more tool. And I also have a division chart right here. Click on that. So I hope these tools help you out for the year. Have a great day.